Hi, so we have two orders to pack today, and the first one will be for a repeat customer. She ordered a 7-day candle for Hecate and a purple beeswax candle. And because she ordered from me before, I'm going to give her one more pillar candle that is still natural and a Hecate herbal blend, assuming she works with this deity. I couldn't be more grateful since there are a lot of people selling candles, and those who choose to come back, I try always to add something extra. I hope she loves her order. The next order is for somebody who got a mystery box. He mentioned that he works with fire magic a lot, so I will be adding a lot of candles. So he got a 30-item mystery box, and I'm going to start with crystals. I picked for him my favorite rainbow smoky quartz sphere. I think this one is the most beautiful. This crystal is really great for helping you overcome emotional wounds and negative thought patterns. It also balances and soothes stressed emotions. I added a bat sphere holder because Samhain is coming, and who doesn't like Samhain? Next we have a raw smoky quartz crystal, great for grounding, protection and transmutation of negative energy. A snowflake obsidian tumbled stone that centers on balance, purity and protection. It can help release patterns of negativity, fear and trauma, promoting spiritual and emotional healing. A very beautiful Arfet Sonai tower that is tied to truth, self-awareness and transformation, often called Stone of Truth. It can enhance intuition, mental clarity and spiritual growth. It is considered a protective stone, can aid in emotional healing and overcoming blockages. Next we have a clear quartz pendulum and a jade skull that represents ancient wisdom, power and protection. Jade is great for strength. It symbolizes morality and spiritual connection between earth and heaven. It's really great to connect with your ancestors, which is perfect for this time of year as Samhain is approaching. But jade also attracts abundance and can help with healing. Skulls are great if you work with death, like endings, and also spirit work because you can use it to call ancestors that you never met in this life. Next we have two anointing oils, and because he mentioned being allergic to lavender, I had to make this today, even though I have all the ingredients listed for all my oils just to make sure. Now these are perfect for this time of year if you want to work with spirits or bring more luck into your life. Now moving on to candles, my favorite part, I will add 7 pillar candles made from natural wax. I think these are perfect for spell work because there is enough space on the candle if you want to write on top any sigils or your intention. Then we have a beeswax dripping candle. Black is really great for banishing and protection. A tea light with yarrow and tiger's eye, great for strength, courage and protection. Next we have 2 Samhain candles, great for using when working with spirits or ancestors. And all the candles are handmade by me using only natural wax like soy, beeswax and other plant-based wax. 1 inner wisdom spell candle, 1 incense burner with go away evil incense, and a 7-day protection candle. These are so heavy, I was thinking to make smaller ones, but they do last a very long time. For the herbs we have a banishing herbal blend, yarrow, elderflower, mugwort, calendula and chamomile. And his order, I'm going to pack everything in 3 boxes because I don't have a box that can fit everything. After shipping, I paid 45 euros to ship this box, which is a lot, but it does weight because of the crystals and candles. My only hope is that he loves the items that I picked for him. I also don't ship to America anymore. Yesterday, 1 package came back. There is a lot of issues with taxes and it's very stressful, so I decided to stop shipping to the US. If you want to check my Etsy shop, I will add the link in my description box. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.